Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we're going to start by getting in position to continue our row. In order to do that we want to be in the bottom bead here, so we want to go through 3 beads. So you see where your string is coming out of and you go through the beads on that side. Now you are in position to continue adding your teeny tiny doily. From this point I recommend, because we've already done this design, that you return to part 7 and you repeat all of the videos, skipping 16 and 17 to until your piece is as long as you need it. Once you complete a doily and your piece is as long as you need it, you will want to then go to what should be the next video for finishing your row. The next video will be about finishing that row of teeny tiny doilies, and then we'll get to the part where we start adding a second row of teeny tiny doilies. If all you plan is 1 row, then the next video will be your last video for this piece. But if you are going to add other rows to your piece, then you will want to then follow on to the videos after that one. I hope to see you there, and happy beading!